Hi, this is Muhammad Rafiq. Welcome to my tech channel. If you new here, make sure click that subscribe button and enable bell icon for getting notifications for my future video uploads. In this video, I'm going to show you how to free up drive space in Windows 10 computer. So let us go and see how to clear unwanted files from your Windows 10 PC and how to free up drive space on your Windows 10 PC. For that, in the search box just type run and you can see run app, just click on it, and here you have to type temp, temp, click on OK, click on continue. Now it's opened a temporary folder located in Windows folder. These files are not needed, just select all and click delete. Click continue. Now you can see all the files are deleted. It will make more space on your system drive. That's it. For that, in the search box just type run and you can see run app, just click on it, and here you have to type percentage temp, temp, again percentage, click on OK. It will open temporary folder located in AppData, and these files are not needed, just select all and click delete. This also will make more space on your system drive. You can see now all the files are deleted. That's it. For that, in the search box just type run and you can see run app, just click on it, and here you have to type Prefetch and click on OK. Continue. It will open Prefetch folder located in Windows folder. These files are also not needed, just select all and click delete. That's it. It will make more space on your system drive. For that, just open this PC and go to C drive, click on Windows, and here just search software distribution folder, and there download folder. There you can see many files. These files are also not needed. Select all and click delete. It will make more space on your system drive. That's it. For that, in the search box just type storage settings, and you can see the storage settings, just click on it. It will open storage window. Below you can see temporary files, just click on it, and it's open temporary files window. Now it's started scanning, and it will list all the temporary files. You can see it's coming one by one. Now you can see all the temporary files are listed. You can select all the temporary files and click remove. There you can see the previous Windows installation file also, that taking too much space. I select that also, and I will select delivery optimization file also. All other files system automatically taken. Click remove files. Now it's started removing one by one. You can see now all the temporary files are removed, and it will make more space on your system drive. That's it. For that, in the search box, just type disk cleanup and click on disk cleanup, and here you have to choose the drive which one you want to clean. I just select C drive, click on OK. It will open disk cleanup window, and here you have to select which files you want to delete. I just select all the files, just check and click on OK. Click delete files. It will clean all the files which all you selected. After that, again search disk cleanup. Click on disk cleanup and click OK. And here you have to click on cleanup system files. Click OK. And here you have to select which all you want to delete. I just select all the files, just check and click OK. Click delete files. Now it's deleting all the system files. It will make more space on your system drive. That's it. For that, just open Google Chrome, and right side you can see 3 dots. Just click on it. Click on history, and again click history. It will open history window. Click on clear browsing data, and it will open clear browsing data window. There click on advanced and click on all the time, and select what all you want to clear. Just check the field and click clear data. It will clear all the history. Now you can see it's cleared all the browsing history on Google Chrome. For Edge browser, just click and open. And click the 3 dots and click on history. and here click on that 3 dots again, click on clear browsing data and click the time range. I just select all the time and select what all you want to clear. I just select all the fields. Click clear. Now it's clearing browsing data. This also will make more space on your system drive. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. If this video was helpful for you, please like the video, and if you have any queries, please comment below the video. I will look into it.